Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we have another listening lesson for beginners. This lesson is about a daily conversation. It is a conversation at a hotel. Traveling is something many people do. We go to hotels when we travel. We stay in hotels when we are on vacation. We stay in hotels when we are on business. This is a very common situation. You might need to speak English at a hotel one day. This lesson will help you prepare. Let me introduce the people in our conversation. There are two people. The first person is Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson is a guest. He is traveling. He is staying at a hotel. He has a reservation. He needs to check in. The second person is Maria. Maria works at the hotel. She is a receptionist. She is friendly and helpful. She helps guests check in. She answers their questions. She makes them feel welcome. The conversation takes place at a hotel reception. The reception is the front desk. It is the first place you see when you enter a hotel. There is a big desk. There is a computer. There are phones. There are keys. There are brochures. The receptionist stands behind the desk. The guest stands in front of the desk. It is a busy place. Many people come and go. Everyone needs help. Let us listen to the conversation. The conversation. Mr. Johnson enters the hotel. He has a suitcase. He has a bag. He looks tired from his journey. He walks to the reception desk. Maria smiles at him. She is ready to help. Maria, good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How are you today? Mr. Johnson, good afternoon. I am fine, thank you. I have a reservation. My name is Johnson. John Johnson. Maria, let me check your reservation, Mr. Johnson. Please give me a moment. Maria looks at the computer. She types Mr. Johnson's name. She finds his reservation. She looks at the screen carefully. Maria, yes, I have your reservation. You have booked a single room for 3 nights. Is that correct? Mr. Johnson, yes, that is correct. I have a single room for 3 nights. I am staying here for a business conference. Maria, that is wonderful. Let me prepare your check-in. I need your identification, please. Can I see your passport or your ID card? Mr. Johnson, yes, of course. Here is my passport. Mr. Johnson gives Maria his passport. She looks at it. She enters the information into the computer. She types quickly. She is very efficient. Maria, thank you, Mr. Johnson. Everything looks good. Now, I need a credit card for the room deposit. We do not charge it. We just hold it for security. Is that okay? Mr. Johnson, yes, that is fine. Here is my credit card. Mr. Johnson gives Maria his credit card. She swipes the card. She types something into the computer. She gives the card back to Mr. Johnson. Maria, thank you. Now, I will give you your room key. You are in room 405. It is on the 4th floor. The elevator is just over there. Mr. Johnson, thank you. Is breakfast included in the price? Maria, yes, breakfast is included. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor. You just show your room key to the staff. They will let you in. Mr. Johnson, that is very convenient. What time does the restaurant serve dinner? Maria, the restaurant serves dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. We also have room service. You can order food to your room. There is a menu in your room. Just call the reception. We will bring the food to you. Mr. Johnson, that is good to know. I might order room service tonight. I am very tired from my trip. Maria, I understand. Traveling can be exhausting. Is there anything else I can help you with? Do you need any information about the city? Do you need directions? Mr. Johnson, actually, yes. Can you tell me where the train station is? I need to go there tomorrow. Maria, of course. The train station is about 10 minutes from here. You can take a taxi. It will cost about 10 euros. Or you can walk. It is about 20 minutes on foot. Go straight down this street. Turn left at the traffic lights. You will see the station on your right. Mr. Johnson, that is very helpful. Thank you. I think I will walk. It is a nice day. I want to see the city. Maria, that is a good idea. The city is very beautiful. There are many things to see. There are shops and cafes and museums. I hope you enjoy your stay. Mr. Johnson, thank you. I am sure I will. Is there a gym in the hotel? Maria, yes, we have a gym. It is on the second floor. It is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. We also have a swimming pool. It is on the rooftop. You can see the whole city from there. Mr. Johnson, a rooftop swimming pool? That sounds amazing. I will definitely check it out. Maria, you should. It is very popular with our guests. Now, let me give you some information about the hotel. Here is a map of the hotel. Here are the opening times for the restaurant. Here is the Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi is free for all guests. Mr. Johnson, thank you. That is very helpful. I need to connect my laptop. I have some work to do. Maria, you are welcome. The Wi-Fi is fast and reliable. You will have no problem. Now, here is your room key. Your room is 405. If you need anything, just call reception. Press 0 on the phone. I will be happy to help. Mr. Johnson, thank you very much. You have been very kind. I appreciate your help. Maria, it is my pleasure, Mr. Johnson. I hope you have a wonderful stay. Enjoy your time in our city. Mr. Johnson, thank you. I will. Goodbye. Maria, goodbye, Mr. Johnson. Enjoy your room. Mr. Johnson takes his key. He picks up his suitcase. He walks to the elevator. He presses the button. The elevator doors open. He gets in. He goes to the 4th floor. He finds room 405. He opens the door. He enters the room. He is happy. The room is clean. The room is comfortable. He feels relaxed. He is ready to rest after his long journey. Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let us look at some important words and phrases from the conversation. We will learn their meanings. We will learn how to use them. Reservation. This is when you book a room in advance. You call or go online. You tell the hotel you are coming. You give them your name and dates. You secure a room for your stay. You make a reservation before you arrive. Check-in. This is the process of arriving at the hotel. You go to the reception. You give your name. You show your identification. You get your room key. You are now a guest. Check-in is the first step. Single room. This is a room for one person. It has one bed. It is small. It is perfect for a solo traveler. If you travel alone, you book a single room. Double room. This is a room for 2 people. It has one double bed, or it has 2 single beds. A double room is bigger than a single room. It is for couples or friends. Identification. This is a document that proves who you are. A passport is identification. An ID card is identification. A driver's license is identification. You need identification to check in. Room deposit. This is a small amount of money. The hotel holds it on your credit card. It is for security. If you break something, they can charge your card. If you do not break anything, they release the money. It is not a charge. It is a hold. Room key. This is the key to your room. It opens the door. Some hotels have real keys. Some hotels have key cards. You use your room key to enter your room. You also use it for the elevator sometimes. Room service. This is when the hotel brings food to your room. You call the reception. You order from a menu. The staff brings your food. You eat in your room. It is very convenient. You do not have to go to the restaurant. Wi-Fi. This is wireless internet. You can connect your phone, tablet, or laptop. You can browse the internet. You can check your email. You can watch videos. Wi-Fi is very important for travelers. Receptionist. This is the person at the front desk. They welcome guests. They check people in. They answer questions. They give information. They help with problems. The receptionist is your main contact at the hotel. Phrases to remember. Here are some useful phrases from the conversation. You can use them in your own life. I have a reservation. This is what you say when you arrive. You tell the receptionist your name. You tell them you booked a room. This is the first thing you say at a hotel. My name is. This is how you introduce yourself. You give your full name. The receptionist can find your reservation. You can say, my name is John Johnson. I need your identification, please. This is what the receptionist says. They need to see your passport or ID. You give it to them. They check your identity. This is standard procedure. Can you tell me where? This is how you ask for information. You ask for directions. You ask for recommendations. You ask for help. For example, can you tell me where the train station is? Is breakfast included? This is a very common question. You want to know if you have to pay extra for breakfast. Many hotels include breakfast. Some do not. You should always ask, what time does the restaurant serve dinner? This is another common question. You want to know when you can eat. You want to plan your evening. This is a useful question to know. Is there anything else I can help you with? This is what the receptionist says. They want to be helpful. They are checking if you need anything. If you have more questions, you can ask them. Thank you for your help. This is a polite way to say thank you. You say this to the receptionist. They have helped you. You appreciate their help. Being polite is important. Do you need any information about the city? This is a helpful question. The receptionist can tell you about the city. They can tell you about restaurants. They can tell you about museums. They can tell you about transportation. This is a great resource. Wi-Fi is free for all guests. This is good news. You can use the internet for free. You do not have to pay extra. This is very important. You should always ask about Wi-Fi. Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask some questions. Try to answer them. Use the vocabulary we learned today. Question 1. What is a reservation? Think about it. A reservation is when you book a room in advance. You call or go online. You secure a room for your stay. Question 2. What information did the receptionist need from Mr. Johnson? The receptionist needed identification. Mr. Johnson gave her his passport. She also needed a credit card for the room deposit. Question 3. What room did Mr. Johnson book? Mr. Johnson booked a single room. He booked it for 3 nights. He was staying for a business conference. Question 4. Where is the restaurant? The restaurant is on the ground floor. It serves breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. It serves dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Question 5. What facilities does the hotel have? The hotel has a gym. It has a swimming pool on the rooftop. It has Wi-Fi for free. It has room service. It has a restaurant. Question 6. How can Mr. Johnson get to the train station? He can take a taxi. It will cost 10 euros. Or he can walk. It is about 20 minutes on foot. The receptionist gave him directions. Question 7. What did Mr. Johnson say to thank Maria? He said, "Thank you very much. You have been very kind. I appreciate your help." These are polite ways to say thank you. Practice dialogue. Now let us practice a simple dialogue. Imagine you are at a hotel. You are the guest. The receptionist is helping you. Try to speak the lines. Receptionist, good evening. Welcome to the City Hotel. You, good evening. I have a reservation. My name is your name. Receptionist, let me check. Yes, I have your reservation. You have a double room for 2 nights. Is that correct? You, yes, that is correct. Receptionist, I need your identification, please. You, here is my passport. Receptionist, thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with? You, yes, where is the restaurant? And what time is breakfast? Receptionist, the restaurant is on the ground floor. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You, thank you very much. I appreciate your help. Receptionist, you are welcome. Here is your room key. Have a wonderful stay. You, thank you. Goodbye. Summary. Today, we listened to a conversation at a hotel. We met Mr. Johnson and Maria. We heard how they talked. We learned new vocabulary. We learned useful phrases. Staying at a hotel is a common experience. When you travel, you will stay at hotels. You will need to talk to receptionists. You will need to ask questions. You will need to understand the answers. This lesson helps you prepare. You can use the phrases we learned. You can check in. You can ask about breakfast. You can ask about facilities. You can ask for directions. You can be polite. You can be confident. Practice this conversation at home. Practice with a friend. Practice alone. The more you practice, the better you will be. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. When you travel, you will be ready. You will not be nervous. You will speak clearly. You will enjoy your trip. We hope this lesson was helpful. We hope you learned something new. We hope you feel more prepared for a stay at a hotel. Traveling is a wonderful experience. English helps you travel better. English helps you connect with people. English helps you explore the world. Thank you for listening to English Listening for Beginners on our channel, Elevate English. We will have more conversations in the future. We will cover more situations. We will help you in your English journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today. Learn one word. Learn one phrase. You will get there. We believe in you.